You don't necessarily need to be an artist to explore, experience, or create art. You can find and use the elements of art in all academic subjects. The course is structured to teach you the elements and principles of art and art history. You will be guided in creating a series of hands-on projects and research papers based on your own reflections of art. Students will also develop artistic perception, such as processing, analyzing, and responding to sensory information through the language and skills unique to the visual arts. In Semester 1, we will cover the basics of drawing along with the 7 key elements of design: line, texture, shape, form, value, space, and color. In Semester 2, we'll explore edible art, curation and exhibits, green art, porcelain clay, modern art, art movements, abstract art, and themes. Let's get started.